Swanage on a very warm Thursday afternoon. This afternoon I'm on 1411 HF09 FVS. Next stop, Hurston Cross. Ah, you're getting off at the next bus stop?
Yeah, Hurston.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm getting off at the bus station, so I've only got 3 more stops.
Okay, well, see you sometime again soon.
Yeah, it was nice talking to you guys.
And you?
Yeah, you take care.
You have a good summer.
You too.
Sounds like you got a good one lined up.
Yeah, lot of buses to do.
Yeah.
All right then.
Okay.
Bye. Good. So this morning on my way to Swanage, I had 1109 HW58 ASU, then from Wareham HW09 BBU. Probably one of the ex-Damery Scania Omni cities. So tune into my YouTube channel tomorrow as I'll be doing the 3 and the 4 I'll be doing the 3 from Poole to Wimborne and the 4 back to Poole, because I want to do the Oakley, I want to do the Merley diversion in reverse. This stop is Cecil Road.